know, man.
Baby, I think of you when I'm all alone and it's half past 2. Made you think about it too. Can't nobody love you like I do. Baby, I think.
What's up, y'all? So don't mind my hair, it's looking crazy, which is the whole point of this video. I'm about to go over my sister's house and I don't feel like doing my hair, so excuse me. So I'm about to wrap my hair with some leggings. Yep, I got these from like Rainbow or something. So yeah, you could use any leggings. I like them to be like a thicker material, because when I do this part of the head wrap, I hate when it's really small, because as you can see, my head is you know, decent shaped, whatever. So let's get right into it. All right, so first you want to start by just combing it all up. I definitely didn't even comb my hair out, child. That's how much I don't want to do my hair. So
Made you think about it too. Can't nobody love you like.
like as far front as you could get it, really. And then you put this in a ponytail bun thing, like that. See? Right in the front of your head, just like that. Okay. And then you take this. I'm just moving it. I don't like when it's too tight. So take this, right? The leggings. Honestly, I really don't know what's the front and the back, because I don't even see a tag or anything. Whatever. You take one side of it, right? And you put it like this on your head, right? So now you want to take the two legs and everything else and just bunch it all up to the front. You want to make sure this is all like straight, right? Straight. You don't gotta move it from behind your ears, because you could do all of that in the end. And then you just kind of twist it. Twist it. And if y'all want, like me, you can take those baby hairs out. See, I don't have baby hair. I just create the illusion like I do. Oh yeah, all of my hairs is adults. They're adults, y'all. That's okay. That's okay, because that's what we're about to do. We're about to make them look babyish. Sure. Just put them right in. You see that? You see how I turn my adult hairs into babies? You see how I told my adult hair to chill out? It's okay to be a baby sometimes. You gotta tell your hair that anyway. You gotta be like, hair, it's okay to be a baby sometimes. You don't gotta act like an adult all the time. Like, Shanikqua, what are you even talking about? I don't know. I mean, yeah. The hair wrap with a pair of leggings, y'all.
Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all next time.